Here's one way you can fix your Quest 2 controller doing a little drift. So first of all, you can go ahead to your quick settings. So it should look something like this. Then you're gonna have to search for something like dead zone or thumb settings or something like this, thumbstick range or dead zone, anything with these keywords over here. You should be able to get this kind of setting. So what you're gonna do from there is choose that one, of course, and you're gonna navigate to the very bottom, which is the thumbstick range and dead zone. So you can go ahead and reset the left controller and you can go ahead and adjust that. You can calibrate it if you like, and then reset the right as well. So do both. It's gonna give you this little adjustment setting, so you can use the slider over here to adjust your thumbstick dead zone, and you're gonna have to adjust it to yourself and see what specific slide or number the dead zone stops. So you can go ahead and test it out from 0 to 100 to see until where it stops, and until where the dead zone stops, I mean. And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and choose and use this option to potentially stop the controller from drifting. Also, make sure you clean your controller as well. So basically, the thumbstick, you can go ahead and use a cotton swab. If you notice some dust, you can go ahead and clean that up, because that's usually the reason why there is drift in the first place. But again, this is pretty much one way you can fix your Oculus Quest 2 that is having a drift. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.